Good morning, children. Today I have come with the activities of the lesson The Joy of Living. Earlier I have discussed the lesson with you. Hope all of you have understood. আজি আমি Joy of Living or activities খিনি আলোচনা কৰিম। ঠিক আছে? Activity 1A. Give brief answers to the following questions. Number 1. For which team did Tarun play? Tarune kuntu dolor hoi khelisil? Answer. Tarun played for Team A. Question 2. How did Team B behave with Tarun at the beginning? Answer. At the beginning, Team B behaved rudely with Tarun. 3. Did Tarun score a goal in the match? Answer. Tarun didn't score a goal in the match. Why didn't Tarun kick the ball? Answer. Tarun didn't kick the ball because he saw the goalkeeper of Team B lying injured near the goalpost. 5. What did the referee say about Tarun's action? Answer. The referee told that Tarun's action was quite right. Now, activity number 1B. Say whether the statements are true or false. আমি তলত দিয়া উক্তিবিলাক শুদ্ধ নে অশুদ্ধ ক'ব লাগে, true or false. So, activity question A. Tarun was the best player of Team B. Is it true or false? Answer. False. B. The match was playing in the morning. খেলখন ৰাতিপুৱা চলিছিল। শুদ্ধ নে অশুদ্ধ? True or false? False. Tarun didn't kick the ball because he felt sick. True or false? False. D. The goalkeeper of Team B was lying injured. True or false? True. E. Tarun's opposite team within bracket Team B is from different town. True or false? Guess? Yes. It is false because the matches were going on with the nearby schools, neighboring schools. It means inter-school matches were going on. So, Team B was from the same town. Now, come to the activity number 2. Complete the sentences by choosing the correct word from the choices given. Complete the sentences by choosing the correct word from the choices given. A. I dash come tomorrow morning within bracket shall come, have come or came. I have written the answers already. You can see the answer. Yes, I shall come tomorrow morning. B. Tarun is a good player. He will score at least one goal. So, the answer will be will score. C. We must hurry. Time dash running out. Time dash out. Within bracket ki ase? Was running, is running, will be running. So here it is running. Time is running out. D. We dash the match tomorrow. Saw, will see or have seen. We will see the match tomorrow. Ami khelkhon ohakali sam. E. Tarun dash the goalkeeper lying injured. Saw or seen. Here it will be saw. Tarun saw the goalkeeper lying injured. Okay. Let's move on to the activity number 3. Read the following sentences. Tolot dia bakyo bilak amak poribo dise. A. It was going to be a sure goal. Etu nishchito bhabe eta goal hobo goi asil. B. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Moi tumak ohakali log korim. We use going to express future tense. ইয়াত দেখিছা নহয় আমি ভৱিষ্যতৰ বাক্যবিলাক ফিউচাৰ টেন্স প্ৰকাশ কৰিবলৈ গোইং টু ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছোঁ প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াছ টেন্স ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছোঁ আৰু প্ৰথম বাক্যটোত পাষ্ট কন্টিনিউয়াছ টেন্স ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছোঁ so we can also write these sentences using shall will to express future time আমি এই বাক্যকেইটা shall আৰু will ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিও লিখিব পাৰোঁ মিনিংটো চেঞ্জ নহয় মানে অৰ্থাৎ আমি ফিউচাৰ টেন্সৰ সেন্টেন্স বিলাক প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াছ টেন্স নাইবা পাষ্ট কন্টিনিউয়াছ টেন্সত লিখিব পাৰোঁ A. It was going to be a sure goal. এই বাক্যটো আমি এনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰোঁ It will be a sure goal. এইটো এটা নিশ্চিত গোল হ'ব গৈ আছিল এইটো এটা নিশ্চিত গোল হ'ব B. I shall see you tomorrow. মই তোমাক অহাকালি লগ কৰিম I shall see you tomorrow. এইটো বাক্য আমি এনেকৈও লিখিব পাৰোঁ I am going to see you tomorrow. মই তোমাক অহাকালি লগ কৰিম প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াছ টেন্সত কিন্তু মিনিংটো একে আছে হয়নে Now rewrite the sentences below using going to. এতিয়া তলৰ বাক্যবিলাকক আমাক going to ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি পেলাই পুনৰ লিখিব দিছে shall আৰু will be ৰ হলনি নাইবা will ৰ হলনি আমি কি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিব লাগিব going to আৰু নতুনকৈ লিখিব দিছে চাই যাবা A. If this continues we shall lose the match. A shall wordটোৰ হলনি instead of shall we will use going to. See answer if this continues we are going to lose the match. We are going to lose the match. Meaning to একে আছে change হোৱা নাই B. Tomorrow's match will be the most important. অহাকালিৰ খেলখন খুব গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ হ'ব Answer Tomorrow's match was going to be the most important. Meaning to change হোৱা নাই ইয়াত past continuous tenseত লিখা হৈছে will be ৰ হলনি কি হৈছে was going to. C. Tarun and his team will win the match. ইয়াত কি হ'ব Answer Tarun and his team is going to win the match. Is going to instead of will we can write Tarun and his team is going to win the match. D. The referee will control the players of the match. Referee jone khelkhonor kheloi-bilakok niyontron kore. Ki hobo will or holoni instead of will we can write is going to. The referee is going to control the players of the match. ঠিক আছে বুজি পাইছা ইয়ালৈকে আমি কি কৰিছো বাক্যবিলাক shall আৰু will ৰ হলনি going to ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি পুনৰ লিখিছো গতিকে আমি এটা নতুন কথা শিকিলোঁ যেতিয়া ফিউচাৰ টেন্সত থাকে বাক্যবিলাক সেইটো আমি প্ৰেজেণ্ট কণ্টিনিউৱাছ নাইবা পাষ্ট কণ্টিনিউৱাছ টেন্সলৈ নি লিখিলেও মিনিং একো চেঞ্জ নহয়, মিনিং একে থাকিব। So, thank you for today. We'll discuss the remaining activities in our next class. Okay, till then, bye-bye.